Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top new Amazon kitchen items this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A snow cone and shaved ice machine, and I must say I was impressed by its performance and efficiency. As a product marketed by Hawaiian Shaved Ice, a reputable brand known for quality products in the industry, this machine truly lives up to expectations. The product dimensions of 8D into 8W into 12H make it compact and easy to fit into any kitchen or countertop space without taking up too much room. The wattage of 55 watts ensures that it is energy efficient while still delivering powerful performance. With a voltage of 120 volts, this machine is compatible with most standard power outlets, making it convenient for everyday use. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A snow cone and shaved ice machine is manufactured by Hawaiian Shaved Ice, a trusted company with a proven track record of delivering high-quality products to consumers. The build quality of this machine is sturdy and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance.
The Ninja BC151BK Blast. Portable blender by Ninja combines convenience and efficiency in a sleek black design. With its portable and lightweight features, this blender is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications. The cordless design allows for easy use on the go, making it ideal for those with busy lifestyles or who enjoy traveling. The blender's 18 fluid ounce capacity provides ample space for creating smoothies, shakes, and other blended beverages. The removable blade feature ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, while the dishwasher-safe design adds another layer of convenience to the user experience. Measuring at 3.54 inches in diameter, 3.54 inches in width, and 10.71 inches in height, this blender is compact enough to store easily, yet powerful enough to handle various blending tasks effectively. Whether you're at homework or on the move, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable blender offers a reliable.
The OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket 6 Oz is a top-notch product that incorporates the perfect combination of design, functionality, and quality. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tea infuser basket ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The stainless steel material also guarantees that there will be no unwanted flavors imparted to your tea during the brewing process. With a sleek stainless steel color and a practical basket shape, the OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket not only looks elegant, but also provides great utility. The brand's reputable name, OXO, further enhances the trustworthiness and reliability of this product. Weighing just 0.08 kilograms, this tea infuser is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient to use on a daily basis. Whether you are a tea enthusiast or just someone looking for a high-quality tea infuser, the OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket, 6 Aussies, is an excellent choice that will surely meet your brewing needs. Its user-friendly design.
As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to review a wide range of kitchen products and the premium quality over the sink, stainless steel oval. Colander by U.S. Kitchen Supply is truly impressive. This colander stands out due to its excellent material quality design and functionality. Crafted from high-quality rubber material, this colander is designed to last, making it a reliable kitchen tool for everyday use. The stainless steel color gives it a sleek and modern look that would complement any kitchen decor. The fine style of this colander adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while providing practicality in straining and draining tasks. With product dimensions of 14.5 L into 9.5 W into 3.5 H, this colander offers ample space for various food items, fruits, vegetables, and pasta, making it versatile for different kitchen needs. Its oval shape fits perfectly over the sink, allowing for easy and efficient draining without taking up extra counter space.
I recently had the opportunity to try out the Victoria cast iron tortilla press, a solid addition to any kitchen. Manufactured by Victoria, a brand known for quality kitchenware, this tortilla and roti maker is made of durable cast iron. The manual operation adds a nice touch of tradition to the cooking process. The black color of the tortilla press gives it a sleek and professional appearance that would complement any kitchen decor. With a capacity of 8 inches, this press is ideal for making a variety of tortillas and rotis. What sets this product apart is its sturdy construction, and the ability to consistently produce perfectly shaped tortillas. The heavy-duty cast.
The Jumbo Insulated Cooler Bag by Creative Green Life is a reliable companion for outdoor activities, especially camping trips. Made from durable polyester material in a sleek charcoal color, this cooler bag offers a generous capacity of 10 gallons, providing ample storage space for food and beverages. With dimensions of 8 in diameter, 21 in width, and 17 in height, this bag is compact yet spacious. One of the standout features of this cooler bag is its insulation, which helps keep your drinks and snacks cool for an extended period of time. Whether you're spending a day at the beach or enjoying a picnic in the park, this insulated cooler bag ensures that your refreshments stay at the ideal temperature. The portability of this cooler bag is another highlight, thanks to its lightweight design, which weighs only 1.3 pounds. The zippered closure ensures that your items are secure during transportation, providing peace of mind while on the go. Overall, the Jumbo Insulated Cooler Bag.
This Fullstar vegetable chopper and spiralizer vegetable slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that simplifies food preparation. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this product boasts dimensions of 11 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 4.8 inches in height, making it easy to handle and store. The crisp white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this vegetable chopper is its multi-purpose design, allowing you to tackle various cutting and slicing tasks with ease. The V-shaped stainless steel blades ensure precise and efficient cutting every time, whether you are chopping onions or spiralizing vegetables for a healthy meal.
The OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Potato. Ricer sets a high standard for efficiency and durability in the kitchen. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this ricer boasts a sleek and professional design that enhances its performance. Weighing just 113 pounds and measuring at 11.5 inches in length and 4.5 inches in width, this kitchen tool is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle and store. The stainless steel construction not only ensures the ricer's longevity, but also makes it easy to clean after use. The OXO Potato Ricer excels in its functionality, effortlessly transforming boiled potatoes into smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes with minimal effort. The comfortable grip and non-slip knob add to the user experience, providing a secure and efficient ricing process. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations, the OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Potato Ricer is a reliable and indispensable kitchen tool that delivers consistent.
Culinary Elements Reusable Bowl. Covers by Bright Concepts are a must-have kitchen accessory for households looking to reduce plastic waste and keep food fresh. Made from high-quality plastic, these reusable bowl covers come in a clean white color that complements any kitchen decor. The round shape and compact design of the Culinary Elements reusable bowl covers make them versatile and easy to use on various bowl sizes. Whether you are storing leftovers, prepping ingredients in advance, or bringing dishes to potlucks, these bowl covers are the perfect solution for keeping your food fresh and secure. With sustainability in mind, these bowl covers help eliminate the need for disposable plastic wrap or aluminum foil, making them an eco-friendly choice for everyday use. The durability of the material ensures that these covers can be used repeatedly, saving you money in the long run and reducing single-use plastic waste. In conclusion, the Culinary Elements reusable bowl covers.
The best nitrile rubber cleaning, household dishwashing gloves by Tusco. Products are a reliable choice for a variety of household tasks. These gloves are made with a high-quality combination of vinyl and rubber materials, providing durability and flexibility for everyday use. One of the standout features of these gloves is their versatility. Whether you're cleaning around the house, washing dishes, or handling tasks that require protection, these gloves have got you covered. The medium size ensures a comfortable fit for most users, and the turquoise color adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. The special features of these gloves make them a standout option in the market. They are reusable, which makes them cost-effective in the long run. Additionally, their cut-resistant design provides an extra layer of protection during various tasks. Being latex-free, they are suitable for individuals with latex sensitivities, and being disposable adds to the convenience of using them.